Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Easy DIY here, yet with another video on how you can use your Android Edge unit, whether it's an aftermath or an OEM that comes with the car, to watch and stream videos on YouTube, Netflix, Amazon Prime, while you are driving or you're in your car. So this is my head unit. This is a 10.2 inch Android head unit, and if I connect my phone to my Android Auto, so it's kind of connecting right now. This is my Android Auto connected via my phone to my head unit. Google did not allow you to be able to have any video app from your phone to be able to cast to Android Auto, because if, for safety reasons, they don't want you to be watching video while you're driving. So in this video, that's what I'm going to show you, how you can have video apps like YouTube, Amazon Prime, Netflix. You can watch it while you're driving or while you're just chilling in your car. So there's this app here I'm going to show you. So there's this app called AAAD. This app right here, once you download it, this is how the app look like, and this is the app you're gonna use to cast any video streaming onto your Edge unit. So I already downloaded it in mine. It's a free version, and you can only have one limit to download. So I already downloaded and install. But if you are new, what you're just gonna do is to go to your browser. If it's the first time you want to download it, I'm gonna type AAAD Gig Hub. You see this particular one, click on it to take you to the site where to download the app itself. And this is the version. This is where you can download. When you go to download, you click on download. It takes you to the version. At the time when I'm recording this video, the current version is version 1.4.4. You just download it. You download the new release and it goes straight to your phone. And then this is what it looks like on the phone. This AAAD, right? So you want to make sure you install the CarStream, right? This CarStream, that's what you want to, because I've downloaded it on the phone, I'm using the free version. I only have one download. But if you subscribe, you can subscribe to the developer of this app, and it's gonna give you unlimited download. I think you're gonna pay some money, but so you are installing CarStream, right? So once you do that, I'm gonna show you what CarStream look like. See this app right here? This is the CarStream app. It's gonna get on your phone, but before it shows on your phone, make sure you go to the phone settings, right? I'm going to show you settings you need to do quickly. And so in your settings, you go to unknown app. You have to allow unknown apps to be installed, and then unknown app, you have to allow unknown app from Chrome if you're downloading from Chrome. And then also when you download the app, the AAAD, you have to allow your phone to install apps from it. And then once that is done, like I said, this is the CarStream, right? This is the CarStream app. And what this CarStream does is it's basically a browser, right? The CarStream app is a browser. The default site on it right now is YouTube. You can see YouTube here, and currently there are settings you can do. You see I enabled a desktop mode. If I did not enable desktop mode, it goes straight to like shows. Say type anything on YouTube, it's gonna come up. I can go here and then say Easy DIY. you see it shows my channel, right? This is my channel in the desktop mode. And so the CarStream app is basically a browser, right? So once you have CarStream on your phone like this, if you come to your Android Auto, right, you see the CarStream app. So this is the CarStream app. Like I told you, it should open up. So it's trying to load, and you can see the default is YouTube, right? So here, and I look for something on YouTube, it's gonna pop up. Let me say easy DIY, and then let it search. So this is my channel. I can click on any of my video and watch how it plays.
At Progressive, we don't believe in a cookie-cutter approach to career growth and development. The roles within our walls are as unique and different.
Hi everyone, welcome back. And that's my channel playing. So let's assume you want to watch YouTube while you're doing, right? You're gonna come here, and then you're gonna have, you can still play while you got the CarStream up. And it's up again. This is what you're watching before you move, right? So CarStream is, you can watch videos on YouTube, but this is not only what it can do. If you want to watch other sites, you see this bookmark thing, right? Bookmark is already, YouTube is already bookmark for. Now what I want to do is I want to add, so this URL, this is where you search something else. You can search I'll say Netflix.com, right? And I'll do that. See what's happening? It changes to Netflix, right? So I'll come to these three dots over here. I'll come to bookmark. I go down, I say add current site. So Netflix add to my bookmarks now, right? And when I click on Netflix, it open up. So if I come here on the browser itself, and I can have Netflix. So you see I have Netflix, so I can open up Netflix.com. And this is how you can use it to stream other stuff. You can see Netflix over here, and you can sign in with your Netflix account and start watching videos, Netflix videos on your with your Android Auto, right? So you can see I'm showing you more Netflix content. So I want to go back to other stuff. So you can search anything like we'll say Amazon, Football TV, Fox Sport, NBC Sport, other stuff. All you just do is to add them to the bookmark, and you can go. You can see it has its own streaming site as well. Again, when you want to watch something internet, right? If you click on the internet, it's gonna go back to your phone. So this is everything I have on my phone. You see, I can choose a video to watch on my phone. These are all the routes on my phone. So this is easy, and this is all I've said, and this is how easy you can stream. Go to their own Flex TV, and this is how beautiful it is to use your Android phone, to use Android Auto to just simply watch videos while you're while you're driving and you don't have anything holding you. You can see this is Netflix again. This is YouTube. Like I said, this is youtube.com right now, and it's on. YouTube is on, so I can watch video. I didn't have to get out of my Android Auto to be able to watch anything with YouTube. You can see I just muted it. I can unmute it.
Right there, it's for our guests to see. It's the most transparent way that you can prepare food.
What you see is what you get.
I can full
Food
screen it.
speaks for itself. You can see this
Beautiful
is great
full
salsa.
screen.
It's beautiful.
And I can come out to a full screen right there. So don't want to get copyrighted with Olympics right now, but just letting you know how easy it is to do, to watch. I said I can always search my channel at any time. Easy DIY, and then I search. It opens for me. I can play one of my videos. You know, anything I want to do, and I play any of my video, opens up. I can full screen it. I can have a full screen. So this is the beautiful thing.
Welcome to my channel.
I muted it. You can see I can mute it. I can do anything like I'm watching. It's not lagging. It's not holding back anything. It's a browser. You can search for anything you want to search, any site you want to search for that's streaming video, and you can just get in. So that's easy it is. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for all your support. I'll see you again sometime. Peace.
Subscribe to our channel. Easy DIY. Thank you.